Here's the wild stat that floors every beginner. Fewer than 1 in 5 Turkish learners ever feel comfy with verbs. Yet fluent speakers hammer out the same tiny 2-syllable pattern every day. Stick with me for 3 minutes and verbs will stop being the villain. Today we're cracking open the grammar bit everyone scrolls past, the infinitive. 1 suffix, 2 flavors, instant bump in confidence. Ready to play? First things first, what exactly is the infinitive? In English, it's the base form of a verb, like to eat or run. In Turkish, the infinitive is similar, it's the unchanged form of the verb that you can use in sentences, often like a noun. The key to forming the infinitive in Turkish is simple. Take the verb stem, the root of the verb, and add the suffix.
Mek, mak,
Which one you use depends on Turkish vowel harmony rules. If the last vowel in the stem is a front vowel,
I, Ö, Ü.
you use.
Mek,
If it's a back vowel,
A, Ö, O, U.
you use.
Mak,
For example,
ye, yemek. Git, gitmek. Gör, görmek. Yüz, yüzmek. Yap, yapmak. Çık, çıkmak. Sor, sormak. Oku, okumak.
talk these out. Your mouth will remember better than your brain. Infinitives aren't just for display, they're the Swiss Army knife of Turkish grammar. They look like one tool, a verb, but can pop out and work as a noun anytime. For example,
Kahve içmek istiyorum.
I want to drink coffee.
Burada kalmak güzel.
Staying here is nice. Notice how
İçmek,
and
kalmak.
act like nouns, the object of want, the subject of nice. Turkish adores the shape-shifting. Now, let's see how the infinitive pops up in real conversations. In Turkish, infinitives often act like nouns, especially when talking about actions you want to do, need to do, or like to do. They're super common in verbs in Turkish language usage. Here are some practical examples. Expressing wants or desires.
Kitap okumak istiyorum.
I want to read a book. Everyday use, imagine you're at home relaxing. You might say this to a friend over the phone. Talking about abilities.
Türkçe konuşmak biliyorum.
I know how to speak Turkish. In daily life, at a job interview, you could say this to show your skills while learning Turkish. Necessity or obligation.
Yemek yemek lazım.
We need to eat. Everyday scenario, at lunchtime with colleagues.
Hadi, yemek yemek lazım.
Come on, we need to eat.
Plans or intentions.
İstanbul'a gitmek düşünüyorum.
I'm thinking of going to Istanbul. Travel talk, planning a trip with friends, this is a go-to phrase. And that's a wrap on the infinitive of Turkish verbs. You've learned how to form them and use them in everyday speech. If this helped you learn Turkish, drop a comment below with your favorite Turkish verb or a sentence you made. Like, share, and subscribe for more on verbs in Turkish language and Turkish language basics. Thanks for watching and see you.
Görüşürüz.